Electronic devices from computers to power lines contain resistive, capacitive, and inductive components. Resistive elements in the circuit dissipate electrical energy as opposed to reactive elements which store energy. Capacitors and inductors are both reactive elements which store energy in electric and magnetic fields respectively. The storage of energy in these components causes a time delay or phase shift in a signal. During this lab experiment, students will study the effects of reactive elements on a system. A series RLC circuit will be designed and tested to simulate this real-world phenomenon. Students will drive the circuit with different AC signals and measure the voltage across elements in the circuit with an oscilloscope. The oscilloscope displays the waveforms on a screen so the phase difference across various elements can be clearly seen. It is important to note that all circuits have a capacitance and inductance dependent on the frequency of the signal applied.